Hi everyone, welcome to another video from DSA. So today we are going to talk about how we can get a free Amazon certification voucher. First you have to log into this education AWS education website. You can see this link. I'll be adding the same link in our description. Then you can click on register now, which will redirect you to a page where you have to provide your basic information. You need to provide your first name, option. So you can only fill what is necessary, right? So once you fill all these, right, you can click on create account. Check this and create account. Yeah, so few information which is on the, like, you have to provide your email ID and what program you are associated with. You have different options. So we are going AWS Academy, right? Okay, you can also check AWS Educate. Yeah, so once after that, yeah, registration code is optional. Whatever is autofilled, I am using that. Checking yes and clicking on create account. So the create account will send an verification link into your email ID. You can click on this verify email, which makes sure that the email which you have provided is right. Let us see what happens afterwards. So after this verification, we are getting a message like we will review your application shortly. Check your email for status update as we process your application. So our goal here is to get registered. Then we will, like, once after completing a learning course, we are going to get a free certification voucher. So after few minutes of waiting, right, I received an email stating that support AWS Educate, saying that welcome to AWS Educate and click here to set a password. Okay, so I have waited around 5 minutes, I could say, to get this email. So you'll also be getting the same way. So I was thinking it would take more time, but it didn't. So now I'm setting a password. Yeah. So now we are here, right? So where we would be getting this voucher, right? In order to get this voucher, you got to have like 4,500 points to get this entry level certification, or 5,500 points to get this advanced level certification vouchers. Okay. So in this case, here what we can do, in order to do those, like getting those points, you got to have this emerging talent community, or we'll call it like ETL community. You have to get access to it. But if you click here, right, once you log into this, if you click here, you would be seeing something like you got to complete a badge eligible courses to do this. Okay, so what is badge eligible courses? So badge eligible courses are nothing but the courses which is filtered as badges on this page, which you have to complete in order to get this ETL community. You can see once you filter its badge, you would be able to see like you can complete these courses. So once it is complete, right, we will be getting this ETL community access, and from there ETL community, you have to complete couple of courses which would make you eligible to access these certification vouchers. Okay, I'll be doing that and will be doing a consecutive video. But in order to conclude this, there are two things which I want you to remember. One is the last date to complete these courses are September 30, 2025. So that, like, if you can complete these courses before that date, you are eligible to get the free certification. And when we have talked about certification, right, I'll also showing you something here. Start, if you click on the start preparing for your AWS certification now, you would be able to land into this scheduled certification. You can also see another offers running here right now. Join AWS certified fundamental associate challenges. So If you register here by going through this path also, you would be able to get 50 percentage benefit. So what you have to understand in terms of AWS is like one which I usually say in all the videos, right? AWS provide a lot of learning materials and references. Now they are into a mode like they want like most of us to get certified through that free option, so that like they will have more reach into this developer level, right? So we are not here to talk about this. So if you scroll down, you would be able to see different type of certification. When I was telling that fundamental or foundational certification, they are like these like cloud practitioner or AI practitioner. These practitioner certificates are like does not require any prior experience, but this would be covering all these technologies which is used, or how this is being you like about EC2, like S3 bucket, all these terms you may have heard about, right? So this is covering all this. But when it comes to professional, right, this is more of like solution architect, engineer kind of roles, right, where that required a different like a hands-on experience. That is the value, like that is the minimum requirement or recommendation they are telling. So you will be able to reach out to the site by, if you go to learners dashboard, scroll it on the right side, you will see that start preparing. So that will take you to the certification page, and you will see that wide variety of certification from AWS, which would help you to get get an idea about the certification thing. So hope this is clear. So that is page set to load. So if you join this challenge, there is a chance like if you win this challenge, you will get 50 percentage. And to be frank, this the 100 percentage which I was talking also is not straightforward. First you have to complete the badge, then you have to join the ETL community. From the ETL community, you again need to complete the courses which you have to earn point. Once you reach 4500, you will be eligible for the fundamental foundational, and then you will be like if you reach 5500 in before September 30, you will be able to do this you will be able to do the advanced level certification vouchers. You will be able to get that. Hope this is clear. So I'm winding up this video with the note saying that we will be covering more about this AWS in the upcoming session. So thank you for watching.